Dr. Mike DeBord, president of B3 Science, is here to share with you an exciting new technology that could have a significant impact on your pain. At the age of 52, I was suffering from chronic severe pain throughout my entire body. And I tried everything: ice, ibuprofen, rest, all kinds of alternative therapies, and nothing had a significant impact on my pain. And then I learned about BFR, blood flow restriction exercise. Now, this was new to me because I could no longer tolerate high intensity exercise. But then I learned I can use these B3 BFR bands on my arms and legs and do light exercise in 3 to 5 minutes. And we now have thousands of people doing this from home. Once you start doing this exercise, you will feel a wonderful fatigue in your muscles like you're doing high intensity exercise. Now, this is important because this will turn on the body's natural pain relieving systems like opioids and cannabinoids that are naturally in your body, as well as releasing nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is going to improve blood flow and bring oxygen and nutrients to these painful tissues. Studies have shown all around the world that BFR can have a significant impact on pain. To learn more about how this could potentially help you with pain, our website on b3sciences.com.